Alright guys, so this is Rust Ride. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Motomod Garage by Doc Steve. So meron tayong remap dito and AFR tuning. So bro, anong masasabi mo sa unang takbo, yung sa hindi pa nare-remap, and then sa na-remap na ngayon? So ano yung top speed mo nung una?
Yung top speed ko po nung una, 115.
Okay.
Siya top speed, 115. Yung na-remap po, nag-130 na siya. Yung na-remap ni Dr. Steve. Dr. Steve! Steve!
Okay, so ngayon, ba't ka bumalik? Di ba nagpa-remap ka nung last Sunday, di ba? So ano yung ginawa natin ngayon?
Checking for air and gas.
Yeah, air and fuel, yung AFR.
AFR.
Then what did you do?
I didn't come back today again because I want to make sure the tune doesn't change, that it's always going to be consistent, right? So I told him drive and have fun with it and come back on Tuesday when we're open again so I can check the AFR to see if there's any changes that happen with the ECU. If the ECU is trying to change the map itself, right? It's trying to pull out fuel. So as I saw, it's perfect. On wide open throttle, 12.5 the whole way. It doesn't move. It's 100% 12.5 air fuel. So the air fuel is very good. When he's coasting, it's around 13.5, and that's good because you want to keep it like for fuel economy, right?
Yeah.
And when he's gonna go to the LTO won't even know that he got it mapped because you know it's doing what it should do. You know, but it's just giving the extra fuel and extra timing on the top end where he needs it, where it doesn't blow up. So right now, it's 100%. It's really good. I'm really satisfied with the tuning equipment that I bought. It's not a waste of money. And as you see, very happy customer. His max speed before 115.
115.
Now, before.
Before, 115.
150. And now it's 130. I think the 150 click version 2, the max speed is like 122. So he's already faster than a 150cc on that click. That's a plus.
Alright, thank you Doc Steve, and thank you for the remapping and everything. So bro, ano masasabi mo bro? Baka may gusto ang i-shout out or imbitahan?
Shoutout ko sa mga tropa ko dyan. Dito na kayo mag-firm-up kay Dr. Steve! Steve! Steve!
Alright, thank you guys. This is Rust Ride and ciao guys.